An auto-response text is a message that you set in our software. This message will be sent by text message back to a user when they text in your keyword. For example, a user texts in nightclub to 69302 and they receive a text message back saying something like, "Thank you for signing up for our VIP list." You can also send back a coupon, an image, a questionnaire, a link to a YouTube video, link to mobile content, or whatever else you want. Watch our other videos to learn more about mobile marketing campaigns. So to set an auto response to your text message, you need to have a keyword. So let's go ahead and click on Contacts from our homepage of our account, Collect Contacts. Or you can roll over Collect Contacts from our top main menu and then click on the drop-down Create Mobile Keyword. This tutorial is going to show you some advanced autoresponder techniques. Some of the things I'm showing you are optional, and I'll note that in the tutorial. So first we need a keyword. This is what our users are going to text into to get on our VIP list, for example. Next we need to choose where those contacts are going to go. I've already set up 2 contact lists inside my account. I have Test. And if I just touch these, you're going to see those automatically go into our selected list. For this example, I'm only going to use the VIP list for my contacts to go into. So I remove Test by clicking it, and I have that as my selected list. If you don't have a list yet, no problem. Just go ahead and click Create New List, and you'll see a drop down for Create New Distribution List. Go ahead and type your list name in there and save, and it'll be added into our distribution list area. Now real quickly, for disclosure purposes, we need to enter the maximum number of text alerts. I'm going to put 4, and this is just a guesstimate and will not limit you to sending more than this guesstimate. I'm just putting 4 because I'm going to plan to send out one per week. Right here we're going to just leave that as a default. This allows users to send in a response by texting the keyword followed by a message. For example, users, if the keyword was radio, users could text in radio and then follow that with a term like jingle bells. And these, all these text-ins will actually be easily viewed inside the inbox of your account. And to go to your inbox, it's actually top of your screen right here. That's where that'll go. So let's get to the auto response message. As you can see, right under our outbound autoresponder area, there's a lot of things that you can add to this autoresponder. We're going to do a simple autoresponder message, which means we're just going to send back a text message. So all we need to do for that is type in our text message into this box and click Create Mobile Keyword, and that's it. Your mobile keyword will be set up, and from there you don't need to do anything else. Now for more advanced features that are optional in setting up your auto response text message. I'm going to start again at the top of the outbound autoresponder area. The first thing you're going to see is URL, shorten URL. You can always click on What's This for more information. But first off, this is a link shortener. This takes your link and shortens it so you can embed it into your text message without very many characters, since our limit is only 160 characters per text message. This can be used for example, a YouTube video link or other web links. So to do that, you go ahead and type in your, actually paste in your link into this box, and you go ahead and shorten the URL, and it's going to give you a link to copy into your text message into this field right here. You can also, secondly, add and attach an image to the auto response. So click Manage Image Library and follow the instructions to do so. This software will generate a short URL to embed into your text message, and our software stores this image for use in the future. So let's go ahead and go through our next feature. So these are called setting up follow-on autoresponders, and for a little more information you could actually click the What's This, and it'll show you kind of what's going on. Basically, you can send out an initial message and then follow that message up every 5, 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours after the message, users to receive an additional message. So to do so, I click this drop down, or this button, and then I choose how many autoresponders. So if I wanted 10, I could select 10. Or for this instance, if I just wanted 2, I could select 2. So literally just type in thanks for signing up on the first one. And on the second one, we're going to put it 24 hours later. We're going to remind them tomorrow that we thank them for coming out, and if they want to bring this text message, this one's actually going to go an hour in advance, an hour away. I'm actually going to give them a drink special and an hour from after when they sign up. That lets them know about midnight special. And then in the second message the next day, I'm going to thank them for coming out. So those are 2 follow-on messages, they're called, and we schedule those for each person to text in to get these after the original message, which will be up here. And this is, again, optional. If we don't want this, we just click that off and it is not there. But we're doing all the advanced features right now. So another thing is typically only once per mobile number is the auto response. We can also select an alternative auto response for people that have already texted in after their first time. Now we can do so by collecting only once every day, or also sending the auto response to every time. So go ahead and click send an alternative autoresponder, and again this is letting people know, for instance, they've already maybe signed up. So I have a message that says, you are already signed up, our records show this phone number is already a member of our mobile VIP list. So again, every time any user actually texts in to this promotion, they're going to get this alternative message if they've already texted in. They're also going to get these 2 follow-up messages an hour and 23 hours after they text in. If we wanted to have a YouTube video, we could have pasted the link there and actually shorten that URL. After we get that shortened URL, we would paste that shortened URL in our text message down here. And again, we could have also added an image into that autoresponder. And the last thing we can do in our advanced features for auto respond video is when someone texts into this keyword, we can have a notification sent. So we can have a notify. Right now we can have it notify when someone texts in a keyword with an optional message. We can also have the keyword or keyword subscriber's mobile number, if it's new in the database, send us a message. We can also send a message, optionally if someone texts in our keyword with a response, and also if that's a new contact in the database. So any combination of these we can set. You go ahead and type your email into this box, mobile phone numbers into this box, and then create mobile keyword. That's it. If we had a message there, anything coming back based on our settings here would go to that mobile phone. Would also go to this email, and that's how we do auto responses. And that was a little bonus showing at the end notifications on how you get notified for various messages. So thanks for watching the auto response video. Have a good day.